Nope, wrong phone. We still have a lost phone, by the way, but it was not theirs. So Aaron Chivas, our stick man, just gave us two to start us off in a good way. Get to this evening a rolling. And now he is going to be choosing another singer that's going to give us 4 songs this evening. So I did see a handful of first timers here. Like I said, I'm going to explain a little bit about what's going on. As I am just the voice of this evening, of this round dance. But really, this man up here is the one in charge. He's making sure everything is going as planned, or as he has planned. It's totally up to him, but just kind of like Powell, as the arena director, they are the one in charge, and the MCs are just the voice. So pretty much they just let us know what's going on, or the committee lets us know. So it looks like our first invited singer up to bat is Caden Pico. So singers, come on out and give him a hand. So throughout the night, Aaron is going to choose a singer to come and share, for the most part, 4 songs. And they're gonna come out here, sit at a table. He's gonna either teach them a song or let them know which one he's singing. And sometimes you'll see people just come on out and just give her a whirl. Don't even let them know what they're singing, just bust it out. I'm not sure if the drinks, snacks, and coffee made it yet, but for sure if we could get it out to the center, some waters. Waters is always key for us singers. There is a pop machine, I guess, out in the hallway, but it sounds like everybody's out there having a good time, laughing around. All right, here we go. Song number 1. Caden Hilo. Singer sounding good, singer sounding good. Dancer is looking good. So if anybody has any local happenings around the area, come up and let me know. If anybody has any flyers, I'm just trying to go off of the old book, Facebook, not Sportsbook. So looks like the drinks arrived. Miigwech committee for making sure we got a little hydration. Little tiny bottles out there. But if you're just getting here, welcome to this year's celebration here, Saginaw Chippewa Round Dance. Looks like he's ready to go. Song number 2 coming right at you. Don't forget to smile big for Mr. Paul Surratt. He's out taking candid photos. He'll get your best shot or side, so don't worry. He's a pro. He's been around the game for many years. together. Ladies and gentlemen, song number 2, Kate and Figo. Good song. So I gotta run this by our stick man yet, but we got a couple specials added to the old agenda. So we'll figure out what those will happen. So our first special is a youth 18 and under sidestep special sponsored by the Saginaw Chippewa Tribal Council. Let's give a round of applause to our council here, our leadership, giving back to the community. So yeah. And we do have one tribal council member in attendance that I know of. If there's any others, let me know. And we may be taking care of that youth special right now. So all you gotta do is 18 and under. I believe that includes 18-year-olds. This is 18 and under. So 18 and under. And then the second special, which we'll do after a while, is an adult size special. Of course, that's 18 and up. But yeah, always awesome to have specials, you know, to help the agenda flow. So our stick man will make sure that happens. All right, so this is our committee here. This is their first time facilitating. Let's give them a round of applause. Our committee here. The Anishinaabe, the Matsawit team, yeah. Yep, the teachers here at the school, this awesome facility, I always tell, not necessarily the leadership, I do tell people, because I work for Naudoo here on Band of Potawatomi, I say every tribe needs a gym like this. Even like Forest County Potawatomis, they got that indoor turf. This is awesome to see, you know, because we can hold events like this. We could even have ceremonies in a building like this. But just my opinion, you know. But yeah, this is awesome. These specials are gonna. All right, so 18 and under, this is gonna be for you. Sidestep special coming right at you. So our singers were informed. They're gonna get the necessary song ready. So judges, stand by as well. Kind of doing this on the fly, but we're still gonna have a good time doing it. What you guys think about the medium, the food? Make some noise. All right, yeah. That mac and cheese was on point. Everything was on point. Question, Panabo, I believe it was Domnabo. Trace leche cake, yeah. I didn't get none, but I was trying to save it, but I'm sure it went right away. So last call, 18 and under, sidestep special, come on out right now. So as I said, last call, I'm gonna leave it up to the singers. When they get up, then that's it. Three places in both of these specials. So extra last call, you got 30 seconds to come on. 18 and under, sidestep special. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Caden Pigo, song number 3, you sidestep special. so stay where you're at. So this was a special youth 18 and under. There were judges in the whole audience. So stand by, youth. Stand in a circle. Not sure what's going on there. All right, so each judge is picking one, and we're gonna have another song. So one more song, final song, and then we'll go with our top three from there. By the way, first place is 50, second is 40, and third is 30. So if you have not been picked, you may clear the arena. If nobody has picked you, chosen you, please clear the arena. All right, so these three were picked. The rest of you, if you could clear the dance floor. All right. Trying to be all mean here, mean guy. But these are our three finalists, ladies and gentlemen, up here in the front. Give them a round of applause, yeah. I was informed too, if you want to dance, I didn't mean to kick you out like that. You can dance this next song, but these are our finalists up here. So song number 4, Caden Set, will be the final song for our youth sidestep special. Whoops. Here we go. Song number 4, Caden. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Midwestern Caden Guido. So, dancers, finalists, come on up here to the front. Stand by Uncle Aaron. There was 3 of you. All right, so our judges are up here, being all judgy. So Matt Cup, AKA, is gonna have a sign-up sheet for your show-up singers. So come on up, jot your name down. All right, you're 3rd place. Right there, yeah. Use your fingers like that. 2nd place coming around, right there. Round of applause, 2nd place. And that means that you're champion, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Send me back one more time to Saginaw Chippewa Tribal Council. All right, so the school here is hosting a silent raffle auction. Straight back, you see the yellow signs and the lady back there waving her hands. I don't know who that is, but so the funds are being raised to help the singers that showed up. You know, these events, they don't invite every singer that's here. There's singers that come here. You know, they could be many miles away, so anything will help. If you're interested to help out, help the cause, it's a silent raffle auction. I don't know what's back there. He said there's like 12 to 15 items. You just buy some tickets, throw it in the bag. But one ticket is $1, 3 for 2, 10 for 5, and 20 for $10. The drawing will be at 10 o'clock, so head back there right now. And there's a singer sign-up list right here. You too. So come on up, jot your old name down. All right, at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go into our student honoring. So we need all K through 12 staff up here right now. Drop what you're doing. So all K through 12 staff, come on up here to the front right now. Man, this gym is just getting packed. I like it. So once again, stand by. There's also another special sponsored by Tribal Council here at Skit. It tripped me out a couple weeks ago. I never heard anybody call it Skit. Yeah, I'm a newbie, I guess. Saginaw Chippewa Indian tribe, yeah. I've always called it Sag Chip or Saginaw Chippewa, Mount Pleasant. Never Skit. I was today years old when I heard that. All right, at this time, I'm going to hand the microphone over to the principal, Mr. Russ Blackbird.
Bonjour, Canada. Bonjour, Canada. Ah, Belgique and talk. Bonjour, Canada. Oh, miigwech. I am so very happy and thankful to be here at Rimaji Quad. This is our first year in this brand new school. Isn't that pretty awesome? Miigwech to the Saginaw Chippewa Indian tribe for investing in their children and building this beautiful building. And all the folks that you see up here are working towards making sure that everything we do inside this building is as beautiful as the building itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have students line up over here on the, this is at the north side exit, and they're going to come up and get their certificates. So, do you want to call? All right. So, what we're going to do is we're going to call up the names of each student. So please, when your name is called, come on up over to this side. Enzo Ruckert. Is Enzo here? Okay. Winona Wimagwans. Winona Wimagwans. Majamapi. Winona. Milani Banzini. Wait, Milani, wait. Kingston Quintero Smith. Nina Nemeben. Jacob Nedwash. Valerie Isaac. Garner Showman. Harley, you see Jeezy anywhere? April Cummins. Jackson. Harley, see Miss Alyssa over there. Right here. Jaden Jackson. Bonnie Red Star. And now we're moving on to Vowels. Vowels Elementary. Anjani Vasquez. Anjani Vasquez. Cortez Gonzalez. Bougie Cortez. From Ganyard Elementary, Brazen Kekagad. Brazen Kekagad and Vera Loomis. From Renaissance Elementary, Malachi Dye. And Ava LaRue. Stephen Fulton. And Angela Peck. From Pullen Elementary, Mia Alvarez. Dash Bonstel. I'd also like to say miigwech to you all for your patience as we honor these awesome, awesome, awesome children that have been chosen by their respective schools, their classroom teachers, as outstanding students for this year. From Fancher, Mercedes Pimentel. Mercedes Pimentel. And Tobias Whitehouse. From McGuire Elementary, Zebedwin Pelcher. Emilio Pelcher. Zebedwin and Emilio Pelcher. From Beale City Elementary, is it middle and, elementary, middle and high school, we have Mason Maxon and Emily Barnett. Joshua Gardner. Kelsey Chippewa. Kelsey Chippewa. Raymond Lamont. Joseph Federico. From Mount Pleasant Middle School, we have Emma Kendall. Stilo Spray. From Shepherd Elementary, we have Jayla Quakum. And Declan DeFader. From Shepherd Middle School, Leilani Sandoval Ritter. And Benjamin Sanchez Hinman. From Shepherd High School, we have Jay Garcia. Tiana Trepanier. From Oasis, we have Angelita Martinez. Aspen Isham. And from Mount Pleasant High School, Alexis Trepanier and Andrew Quakum. Garner, Ajahn Mambi. Garner Showman was out and about. He is now here. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you your 2024-2025 Saginaw Chippewa Indian Tribe Student Honorees. We are so thankful for them. We want to support them every day. Everything we do should be for the best of our children so that they have healthy lives. Let's support them every day. Miigwech Kinawea, we are going to do an honor song for the students. So we'll ask them to start this dance off and call up singers. Let's get all the singers up and do an honor song for these youngsters. Miigwech, kinaleya, bamapi.
All right, let's give one more big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What an awesome sight to see. Kiwigeso, good job to all of you young ones out here. So at this time, we're gonna go into an honoring song for each and every one of you out here. So we'll ask all families to join in as well. All right, here we go. Honoring song. representing and supporting our youth. Snack and drink concession is now open. Front lobby. Snack and drink concession front lobby is open right now. Also, big congrats and shout out to all the staff here for also dedicating their lives to these young ones and helping the best way that they can. Not every tribe is fortunate to have a program like this, you know, on their reservations, but hopefully, fingers crossed, one day, you know, all will jump on board. There's immersion here, all kinds of good stuff going on. From babies all the way up to 12th grade. So yeah, awesome. So we're gonna keep moving along with our evening. Don't forget adult sidesteppers. There's a special for you coming up shortly. We'll keep you posted on when that will take place. All right, we have a couple lost, dropped items up here. There's an inhaler, Symbicort, and then a shirt. It's a camouflage shirt. I can't see it, but oh, she's really coughing like it's hers. Just kidding. All right, our next singer is Leroy Shinoski. Singers, come on out. Lend them your voice. Help them out. So also, singers, don't forget there's a sign-up sheet up here. If you did not sign in, the committee would like to acknowledge you the best way that they can for joining us this evening. And I've been reminded about 3 times that the snack concession is open in the lobby. But if you can hold off till midnight, there will also be a feed. Pizza and salad. for our midnight lunch. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we go. Getting back into full swing on round dance mode. Everybody come on out. Support our invited singer, Leroy Shikowski. Round of applause. Song number one, Leroy Shikowski. Yeah. Good one, good one. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to keep encouraging you guys to come on out and dance with us. From the words of one of my good brothers, Mr. Bud Day, this is a round dance, not a round sit. So get on up, as P.D. Pablo said. There's a big game tomorrow. Hit it, Henry. Go green! It should be a good one. I know we got you guys good the first time, but Michigan is a good team. I'm not a hater, so. But it's always go green from this guy right here. I was going for the chips last night, but alright, here we go. Song number 2. Everybody come on out and dance. Leroy Shabowski. Get on and dance. Good time. That song was just powerful, cutting out the lights and all. Yeah. Good song, good song. Good singing, good dancing. Oh man, what a round dance to be this year at this brand new facility. Beautiful. All update for the concessions. In the hallway over here, A117. Concessions are in A117. Also update, they sold out, just kidding. I don't know what they got there, but snacks, drinks. Somebody bring me something so I know what's there. Oh, aha. Also in A117, they are selling Lee Majikwan t-shirts and hoodies for sale. Lee Majikwa, that's the school's name if you didn't know that. The place where we grow. So, head on over there. T-shirts, concessions. Somebody forgot my diet sodas. No names. good one. Blasting out all the jammers, making me like it. These songs are powerful, I tell you. The lights keep trying to shut off and stuff. Don't forget about the raffle straight back where the yellow signs are. Yep, waving her hands like she don't care. Looks like Bojan's getting ready. Silent raffle auction. Don't forget they're raising funds to help these show-up singers. Some of these brothers came many a miles. Some just came up the road. But I want to say a big chin-miigwech to the committee as they've shown me great hospitality. In a short time, they asked me to fill in as your guys' MC this evening. They said anything you need, so I'm just waiting on my free play. So Leroy Shinowski's got one more blammer for you guys. Don't miss this opportunity to come on out. Shake a leg or two. Don't forget the reasons why we sing, why we dance. Dance for the ones that can't. Dance for healing, dance for prayer. Whatever you may. Or just dance because you don't care. But come on out. Yeah. Here we go. Song number 4. Leroy Shinowski. Chin-miigwech, brother, for coming on out, sharing your style with us. Also, miigwech to all you singers for helping out. You guys are all appreciated. Some of you came dressed to impress too. Oh. I like it, I like it. That's kind of how I've been taught as well. To look nice when you do these things, whether you're just singing or dancing, get undressed and you still look nice. But yeah. I feel like now all the lights are on still. But that's okay. We're still gonna rock, we're still gonna roll. So our next singer is going to be none other than coming to us from Minnesota, Vito Buckanaga. I had to ask him because he used to say Buckanaga, but even in Potawatomi we say Kanage, but it's Buckanaga, so. Sings a lot of side steps. My brother here, Vito, I like his style. So singers, come on out right now. Give brother Vito a hand, a voice, a stick, and stay on beat. So adults, song number 3 and song number 4 are going to be the adult side step. So stand by. Also Vito, keep that in mind. Song number 3, song number 4, side steps. Ani, if you go out there, don't hurt yourself. The crowd is kind of thinning out, but that's kind of how these round dances go. I know these go real late sometimes. Got late this year when I think I got back to the room at about 5 something in the morning. GTB got kind of out early. I think I was in the room at 2:45 a.m. Then again, the room was just upstairs, so one of my favorite round dances too in the area. Gun Lake and GTB, bangers for sure. If you ain't there, don't cry about it to me. But some awesome singers from all over the country and Canada attend those round dances. So adult side steppers, stand by. Get your moves thought up. Go in the hallway, in that dark hallway, and practice them up if you need to. Just stop and turn the lights out in here, please. Wherever you are. I know you are. I know who you are. But I won't say anything. Your secret is safe with me. Just don't do it anymore. Just kidding. Don't take me serious, guys. All right, singers are up. You know what that means. This is a round dance, not a round sit. So get on up, come on out, and support our brother Vito Song number one. Here we go. Good song, good song. So don't forget the concession stand in the hallway over here, A117. Snacks, drinks, coffee. They also got We Majin Quad t-shirts and hoodies for sale, not free. But how are we doing out there, ladies and gentlemen? I like to make sure you're doing all right. Make some noise. Are you alive or what? Yeah, some of you are. Some of you are sleeping. Just kidding, I didn't mean to call anybody out. Just kidding. Don't forget adult side steppers. Stand by, 18 and up. Special coming for Vito, song number 3 and song number 4. So we'll run it like the youth. First song, everybody come on up. Then the judges are gonna pick top 3 or whoever, top 5. Not sure how many judges, but. And then there will be 3 places for the top 3. Also, there's a sacred fire square outside, out the eastern door over here, to my left, to your right. If anybody would like to go out there, make an offering. All right, also I just got word they have spot dances coming up. So stand by, everybody out there. All you gotta do is come on out and dance with us. I guess that will get you up. But one more song, And then we will call all you sidesteppers on out to the dance floor. Got 3 places for that special. All right, it's 9:05, and the raffle for the silent auction over here will be closing at 10 p.m. So you got 55 minutes. Help support these singers that are helping us out, helping our invited singers out this evening. We got 6 or 5 invited singers here that the committee personally asked to be here to share the song, share the style. But here we go. Song number 2, Vito Bucanaga. Yeah. Song number 2, Vito Bucanaga. Good song there, brother. So clear the dance floor. We're gonna call out all you adult sidesteppers. Judges, stand by. our judges, Ileana, Eva, and Paul. Come on out. And if nobody's gonna go dance, I'll go out there. Just kidding. So adult sidesteppers, come on out right now. Once the singers are up, that's it. Nobody else is coming in. Those came from Aaron, those specific words. And Wubba Madewas, come on out. All right, so our stick man added a 4th place. 2 3rd places. So adult sidesteppers, last call. Our judges are ready, but I don't see many sidesteppers ready. You better get on out here right now. I said once the singers are up, that's it. Nobody else is coming in. I've seen Tribal here too. I'm not afraid to tell them. Going once, going twice. All right, singers are up. That's it. Just kidding, you got 30 seconds. Get in here. All right, here we go. Song number 1. Vito Bognaga. hold your spots. It's not a spot dance, but the judges are going to come around, I believe. Yes. They're going to pick one. So there will be top 4. And you're going to dance Gold Medal. One more. There's 2, 3, 4. A round of applause for your top 4. The rest of yous can skedaddle. Sorry it's got to be that way, but just kidding. All right, so they're going to dance one more song, and then they will decide 1, 2, 3, 4. First, second, third, and fourth. So dancers, come back up, spread out. I didn't see many men out there. Where is that? I still don't see any men out there. Paul's like, me. Just kidding. I meant dancing, guy. It was open to men too, but no, you can't come in now. Ready whenever you are, Vito. Here we go, song number 2, sidestep, song number 4, Vito. Song number 4 for Vito, and song number 2 for the side steppers. Yeah. They're ready. Fourth place. Dancers, come line up over here. Up here. Face opposite way. There's fourth place right there. Round of applause. Fourth place. Yeah. Third place coming up next. Third place right there. Round of applause. Second place right around the horn. That will mean the other dancer will be the champion. And second place, yeah, go around, circle around, one more time. Other way, just kidding. All right, second place, and then there's your champion right there. Round of applause. So these two specials were sponsored by the Saginaw Chippewa Tribal Council. I believe there's a couple in attendance this evening, so regrets for making this event that much more funner. Yeah, I said it. Funner. All right. Yeah. Good one. So we're still in round dance mode. Don't forget, 10 o'clock, the silent raffle auction will be closing, and they will be drawing right after that. Also, there's a Find the Joker going around. I don't know where they're at, but there's a Find the Joker fundraiser going on. $10 a card. They gotta fill that up, and then at the end they're gonna find the Joker. Yeah. Then you're the winner. So the winner of that Find the Joker will be $250-ish. So once they fill that board up, if you don't know what Find the Joker is, give them $10 or $50. You get a card or however many you buy. And at the end, if the Joker is under yours, you're the winner of half of that. So $250-ish. $250, yes. Right on the money. You don't teach math, and neither do I. Our next singer, none other than Zhao Smith. Singers, come on out. Give a brother a hand. Got some nice boots on, boy. A lot of you's got some nice boots on. This round, we're gonna start our spot dances. We've got various prizes, gifts, consisting of Soaring Eagle water park passes, one night stay, plus water park passes, and then 50 in Buckingham Family Restaurant. I am hungry. Buckingham. Singers, come on out. Appreciate you guys for coming on out and helping out. All you singers are sounding good. Just wanted to let you know that. Concession snacks are at A117 in the hallway. They also have We My Jeep Quad t-shirts and hoodies for sale in there. midnight-ish. We will have midnight lunch. So if you're able to make it until then, word is they're gonna have pizza and salad. But it looks like our next invited singer is ready to go. So dancers, come on out and support our little brother Jawan Smith. Here we go. Song number 1. Come on out. Round of applause. Song number 1. Jawan Smith. Yeah. Mokwa. All right, he's ready to go for his song number 2, and we're gonna turn it into spot dance time. If you don't know what a spot dance is, come on out right now. All you gotta do is dance with us for a chance to win a prize, a gift. Here we go. Song number 2, spot dance time. Dancers, don't move, don't breathe, don't blink. Just kidding. Seen about a third of you blink. You all lost. Just kidding. All right, this was a spot dance of $20. Oh, winner, all right.
Joey and Prize.
All right. Joey, give her a round of applause. You're a winner. So that was sponsored by our photographer, Mr. Paul Surette. Miigwech Nikon for that. Don't go too far, dancers. We're gonna do another spot dance. This will be something to do with the old water park, but I don't know if it's going to be passes, $50 gift card to Buckingham, or a one-night stay. We might just do it blind. I'm going to shuffle them up. And our stick man will grab the top one. So spot dance coming right at you for Jean's third song. Silent auction closing at 10. All right, this young man up here, Azrael, it's his birthday today. Tell him happy birthday, Manolo Duriskan. It's also my oldest son's birthday, so you guys share a birthday, but he's 19. He's taller than me and he plays football, so I'm scared of him. Just kidding. But that's awesome, yeah. All right, our fourth and final song from Yahweh Smith. This is fourth. I got it written down up here. Don't move. I told him this was a spot dance and he went to go sing. Just kidding. Yeah, I get it. Totally get it, Mr. Halo Victors. Oh, dropped it. Now he lost the spot. Bad nabbit. That was 6 water park passes, I believe. Round of applause right there, yeah. So I guess that was song number 3, according to my calculations. 3.5. So he's got half a song left. And we're gonna keep these spot dances moving. So this next spot dance, we got this lovely zero sugar Coke. Just kidding. Oh, here come the cash. Oh, okay. Oh, he's like, we got $1 ones. We got $5 ones. Oh yeah, we're good. Uh-huh. With it. Yeah, we're gonna do one big old jackpot, heads or tails. Yeah, what she said. All right. She wants to do something, but find a joker coming around right at you. $10 a card, $10 a card. 2 spots for this next song. This final song, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is on. Just messing with you. I can't count, you can't count, we can't count. Spot dance time. Come on out. 2 spots. 2 cash spots. $20 spot and a $10 spot coming right at you. There's our first winner. Round of applause. Yeah. Want to say your name?
Hazel Hale.
All right. But you said Kayla. Was it Kayla? Hazel? Hazel. Oh. It's hard to understand children. I have 8 of my own, but, well, one's an adult. My oldest daughter is right here next to me, if you didn't know. But yeah, 2 winners that was. So round of applause to the second winner. I don't know who that was. My apologies. Oh, right here. What's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie. Round of applause. Give him a round of applause. Yeah. So don't go anywhere, dancer. There's still some spot dances, prizes, cash prizes. There's a one-night stay at the water park. So let's fill up this dance floor, eh? Supposedly there's some younger spot dance items as well. So young ones, don't go far either. Although you are winning the cash, you young ones. Our next singer, none other than Quacky Hill. I always tell him every time I'm on the mic, my favorite 3rd or 4th lead. I don't know if he does one or the other or both. I've heard him do both before, but always crisp. I don't know what he does, but one day, hopefully he'll teach me. Just gotta ask him in that good way. A lot of these singers sing with their own groups, different groups. 10 minutes till the silent auction raffle closes. All right. So, we're going to call out all birthdays for the month of March, Shinde. All birthdays for the month of March, come on out. They're going to have a birthday song right for you. So, Azriel, come on out. Joker board is full. Joker board is full, so that means somebody is going to win 250 smackaroos. Then you can go spend it at one of these vendors. How about that? Why is that? Me neither. So birthdays, come on out. Is that what you're confused about? Is your birthday in March? All right, you're gonna dance to the song. All birthdays today. All birthdays in the month of March. Come on out. Today. So we appreciate Mr. Quacky Hale being able to render us one of the good time birthday songs. Here we go. Summer one, Quacky Hale. to you all. No the bush stop. All right. You want? All right, here we go with Find the Joker. She's doing it right now. She's peeling away, peeling away. 265, see? Me and Matt's math was off. 265 to the winner. We were trying to take that 15 though for split it. 750, 750. $14 cards down, still no joker. That's a jack. Still no joker. Oh, that's a jack too. Joker will have like a clown guy on there, I believe. $30, still no joker. It's probably at the end. All right, joker. Little Man Quintero, your winner. $265. Where we going, brother? Yep, to the committee. All right, spot dance. We're gonna keep you guys out there. Song number 2, coming right at you. Quacky, hell. dancers, don't move. Spot dance time. Coming around. We got one spot or two spots? Two. There's one. Round of applause. Yeah. All right. What's your name? Loud and proud. All right. Autumn. Round of applause. Yeah. Second winner right there. What's your name? Loud and proud. Kylie Bush. Round of applause. So we got 2 songs left with our invited singer list. And it is 10 on the money. The silent auction is closed. Yeah, I said it, closed. So they will be announcing those winners ASAP, as soon as they are able to. We still got a good handful of spot dance prizes. And Mokwa wants to do a heads or tails with this one night stand. One night stay. I didn't mean that, one night stand. One night stay. Blanc. You don't win. Just kidding. Just don't move. Hey, stop moving. Just kidding. All right, one winner coming around. $50 to Buccaneer. And if you don't want it, tomorrow I will be hungry too, so. All right, round of applause right there. Young man in the hat. One more song coming at you from Quacky Hale. What's your name? Loud and proud.
What? Thunder.
Thunder, all right, round of applause, yeah. $50 gift card that he just won. So we still got a handful of spot dance giveaways, and then we'll end with this one night stay, not one night stand. Mukwa. I think he wants to do heads or tails on that one. Yes, he does. So we'll fill up the old dance floor for the one night stay with passes at the water park, ladies and gentlemen. But that won't be for a couple more songs, probably. We got one final song with Quacks here, and it'll still be a spot dance. But we're winding down the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Word is we might get done a little bit earlier, which is okay. No worries. We may end with walking out the door with a slice or two of pizzas, but that'll be all right. Slice and beat it. Get it. Just kidding. Also, a couple housekeeping reminders. Just if you could kindly pick up after yourselves, that would be greatly appreciated. Let's try to help our community and committee here with getting out of here as good of a time that they can. Hope the vendors are doing all right back there. All back on the edge of the old gymnasium. I should say new gymnasium. When I walked in, man, it smelled just brand new. Just like your feelings. Just kidding. Although this is our last invited singer on the agenda, we still got some singers that we're gonna get to, so don't worry, we're not done, but we're also gonna do a memorial song, so stand by for that. If you have a picture of a loved one, physical or on your phone or whatever, your technological device, you can use that as well. But looks like they're ready to go. Quacky Hale, song number 4. He was having me just a vibing up here, hands down. Woo! Almost in tears up here. Shoot. Remember, we got youth prizes, so sent some Legos, yeah. Are they? All right, coming around, coming around. She'll be coming around that mountain when she comes. Make them do rock, paper, scissors. Just kidding. Sin, Mazinigin, Moswagen. They're like, I'd rather have Jonia. All right, there's your winner. Round of applause. All right, at this time, while we get situated with more singers, we're going to announce the silent auction winners. So for the first one, we have Maple Creek Golf Course, 2 rounds, 18, or 2 rounds of 18 and 2 hours simulator. Buffalo Wild Wings gift basket, $25 gift certificate, Cinemark, $10 gift card, and a dozen of crumble cookies. Deb Smith. Deb Smith is your winner for all of those items. So you can go back. You can head back to the table. So some of these do have names and some of these don't. Our second winner, Buffalo Wild Wings gift basket with $25 gift certificate, overnight stay at the casino, $5 Taco Bell gift card, $7 KFC card, free sandwich and beverage at Big B, $35 Massage Central gift card for infrared sauna, and a vendor necklace. This one's numbers only, so pull out your red tickets, by the way. Red tickets. So for this second one, we have 031 0340. 031 0340. I guess I won't read them all. I'll just read the number. So our winner for the number 3. So for the number 3, I guess, pack of items is Kim. It just says Kim, and there's a number. So that's the winner of the. Okay, if they're not here, okay. 031 0309. And that's Kim. 031 0309. Our fourth winner, no name but a number. 031 1516 for For our fourth winner, variety of items, things from crumble cookies, Pizza Hut, 031-1516. Our fifth winner, we do have a name. Nicole Nidwash, 031-611. 031-1611. Our sixth winner, variety of items, looks like Kim again. Was that Kim? No. 031-0333. 031-0333. Kim, sixth winner. Seventh winner, another variety of items. Looks like Keek, K-E-E-K, 031-0743. Keek, seventh winner. Our eighth, Jessica Pigeon. Our eighth winner, Jessica Pigeon, 031-0581. Our ninth winner, no name, 031-1373. 031-1373. 10th winner, I don't know if it's Dan, but I'll read the number. Dan S. maybe. 311-212. 311-212. 11th winner, our 11th winner has the wrong ticket. I mean, they don't have the name on this one, it's the opposite ticket. 031-0393. 031-0393. 12th winner, no name, another variety of items, 031-1054. 031-1054. I'm pretty sure you know what you put your ticket in, but AR 031-1554. 031-1554. And our last 14th winner, Laura, 031-0656. 031-0656. All right, so the school here would like to say much for everybody who donated. They raised over $700 for our show-up singers. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yeah. So looks like we have none other than Little Man Quintero up next as our next singer. Don't forget, we got spot dances left. We also got youth items. And we still got that one night stay at the water park for the spot dance heads or tails special. I guess they just gotta have vacancies. So if nobody claims these ones, if there's no name, they're gonna redraw. So don't throw your tickets away just yet. I see we got crumble cookies, all kinds of stuff. Jordan Disney is his name. Here we go, song number one. Little man, Quintero, come on out. Show some love. Round of applause, song number one, Little Man. Good song, good song. Wait, freeze. Just kidding. Spot dance next one for sure. I got a question for all of you out there. Parents, do you have a child with a size 3Y come on up right now. Parents with a shoe size, or a child with a shoe size 3, why? You? All right. Someone won it off the raffle and they wanted to give it back because they didn't have. So, there you go. So, round of applause for Ashton and company. I'd have done sold it on Marketplace. Just kidding. Not really though. Tough crowd out there this evening, I tell you. Go green! Yeah. Tomorrow, Wolverine's going down town. Huh? Say it louder. Time is up. All right, I'm been fired, Cub, so here, you can take over. He said, my time is up. Get that mic away from that guy. Even my phone case is green. Go green! Like I said earlier, I don't hate on the Wolverines. I know sometimes they can be irate, you know, but I've been a state through and through. I've even been on their payroll, so I didn't go to school there, but I've been on their payroll. That counts as alumni. Just kidding. But I'm a big sports fanatic. I wish they would have never invented sports books. Don't do parlays, by the way. Parlays are fun, but you don't win off of them. Trust me. This past week I've been on fire though. Just FYI. Anyways, song number 2. Here we go. Little Man Dancers, come on out. Spot dance time, spot dance time. Everybody, come on out. Applause, hold your spots, don't move, freeze. We'll go 1 winner, 2 winners, 3, 4, just kidding. 2 winners coming around Oh, there's one right there. Round of applause. Just kidding. Two winners coming around. Cash, money, records. Prizes. I don't know what the questions he's asking, but all right. There's our winners. Round of applause. I guess they're making their way up here. You gotta earn it. You gotta say it loud and say it proud. Tell us your name.
Brooklyn.
Rosie, I think.
Naomi.
Naomi. Round of applause. Your winners. Brooklyn. I say loud and proud, but these kids be like, Brooklyn. So the word is we'll probably be wrapping it up around midnight, ending with lunch. It's always a good day when you can go home after lunch, isn't it? But I hope you guys, all that are here, are enjoying your time. I hear a lot of laughing, a lot of smiling, see a lot of dancing, hear a lot of singing. Those are just my observations. And some people are just looking stoic, just standing in the corner. No smiles, no expressions at all. Just kind of standing there. No cares given. But you're here, that's all that matters, yeah. But song number 3 is coming at you here shortly by the one, the only, Little Man. This is actually my first time to this round dance here. But I've been coming up here many years for the powwow. The used to be Little X, but I believe it's just Saginaw Chippewa powwow now. July, used to be in August, I don't know. Somewhere around there, July, August. I don't know how you would say both those months together. But always a good powwow up here. I can remember going to school or getting ready for football after coming back from this powwow. Getting ready for the old school year. It was like the final one for me. Lots of memories. Also, don't forget, we're going to be doing a memorial honoring dance coming up shortly. There's also a giveaway, but here we go. Song number 3, Little Man Quintero. not move, please. Don't mean to be all bossy, but we're running around out here. 2 prizes, 1 adult, 1 youth. So don't move. There's our first winner right there. Just kidding. $10 coming around. $10 is still going around. There's our first winner. Yeah. And there's our second winner. All right. It's all good. All right. Her name is Lavender. All right, yeah. So we got one final song from Little Man, Air Force One. Caleb. What is We Beat LA? You sure? He says We Beat LA. Oh. What you gonna do? And we'll call this one a spot dance too. All right, singers are up. There's only a handful of opportunities left for this year's celebration, ladies and gentlemen. So come on out. Come dance with us. Little Man Quintero.
Hey!
man Quintero. Iglia and Nikon for coming on out, sharing some songs with us. All right, for sure, winding down the evening. You guys behave up here. I hear them playing basketball. But we still got a little bit of singing. We're getting a couple singers lined up for this split set. I don't know if you were here earlier, but sometimes the singers will get 4 songs, and when we're nearing the end, sometimes we'll get 2 songs. They might even get 1 song in a set. I've been in all those situations. Just trying to acknowledge the lead singers that are here this evening. Looks like we got Nimki Fox and Owen Zapata. Your next singers in this special split set. Yeah. So all singers, even hummers and tappers, come on up. Come help these young, fine gentlemen out. And after this set, I believe we'll be moving into the memorial. So once again, if you have any pictures or a picture of a loved one you would like to honor during that time, it could be a physical copy or it could be on your phone. And if you'd like to join in, we will let you know how, where, and what we're going to go about that. But you're just going to come on up with our stick man, Aaron, with your picture. And then he will tell you what's going to happen. And Kekia came up here, the elder, who was screaming back at me about Go Green. He's a Wolverine fan, but he told me a little story. He said he's got a basketball signed by Tom Izzo, and he kind of, was chuckling around. But so I said, well, where is it? He said, it's in my closet. He said, I really want him to win though, because the price of that ball is going to go up. Yeah. Good one. I was hoping he'd give me that ball. Darn it. I met Tom Izzo once though. I was in high school, and he came because a guy I went to school with, he went to play basketball for him, so he was scouting him, but I was in the same gym class as him, and Tom Izzo was there, so it was pretty cool to meet him, shake his hand. But no, I was a State fan before that, alright? But here we go, our final set, split set of this year. Song number 1, Milky Fox, Give 'Em What You Got. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Song number 1, Milky Fox. So when I said split set, I meant Milky's gonna sing 2, Owen's gonna sing 2. But yeah, I want to say Igrian to everybody who's been sticking around. Like I said earlier, some of these round dances go into the wee hours of the morning. But they also say that those times are when those spirits are really out. And this round dance originated way, way, way up north with our Cree relatives, and also, as I mentioned before, lots of protocols and teaching songs that go along with these. And we're doing our best we can to try to follow those protocols. All right, we got this young man, a happy birthday cookie up here. All right, big wish. Crumble. Here we go, song number 2. His final song, Milky Fox. Let's get rid of the skateboard. These kids got it up here. So this one's for the kids, the youth. A skateboarder coming around, coming around. And with one of these next songs, Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give a night stay with water park passes at the water park. Maybe the next song, maybe the fourth song. And per our stick man, we're going to do a heads or tails on that one. All right, there's our winner. Congratulations. You can skate your way on home now. All right, this next song is going to be the spot bands for the one night stay with water park passes by Heads or Tails. So if you don't know what all that gibberish is, what I just said, just come on out and dance, and we'll show you. We'll show you the Heads or Tails way. But chance to win one night stay, so come on out, everybody. If you don't have a place to stay tonight, I would be out there dancing if I was you. All right, here we go. Song number one, Owen Zapata. So this is what we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna do this heads or tails. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to explain it to you right now. So, I mean, heads or tails is heads or tails, right? But we are going to flip a coin, and I know how some of you get, so that's why I have a real quarter. All right, so all right, this side, to my left, our left, your right, is heads. If you're gonna choose heads, go over there. If you're gonna choose tails, go over here. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's it. We're spinning, or we're flipping. Brother Nate's here, got a flipper. Tails, it is. So heads, you're out of there. You can't be raising the roof there, Tiana. You lost. All right, so now we're going to reset. Heads or tails. You guys are in. So, Stigwan, Anaka, Diaz. Stigwan, heads, Anaka, or Diaz. Tails. Tails never fails, right? All right, 3, 2, 1. Looks like heads, you're out of there. It's tails. Heads, you're out of there. Yeah, I tricked you. It's tails again. So tails, you're in. Heads, get. All right, reset. Heads or tails? Heads to the left. Stick one. Okay. Tails. Diash. Oh, you're in the middle. You're disqualified. Just kidding. All right, spin. Guess what? It's tails. It's tails. The tail is selling 50-50 tickets. They're going to draw at midnight. $20 an arm length. $20 an arm length. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I just can't even tell you. Tails are out of there. It's heads. All right. Reset, reset. Heads or tails? Stick one on a cat. Diaz. Three, two, one. Heads it is. All right. There's our winner. Tails sometimes fails. One night stay right there. All right, we are at our last, final song of this split set. Anytime you are ready, Owen Zapata, dancers, come on out right now. Mina Owen Zapata. Yeah, good singing, young fellas there. So at this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to ask for your kind attention, and if we could tone it down just a little bit. I know it's already feeling that way. But we're going to ask for a little bit of quieter time. We're going to go to this memorial. Also, a quick reminder for the singers and singers to pick up on themselves.
All right, just want to say chimigwech to all the viewers that we had tune in this evening, and stay tuned for future live streams from Residence Productions. And we say good night to you all. We're shutting the stream down right now as we go into the memorial and the giveaway for the evening. So